Keshav Bhajanka of CenturyPly. Keshav, hi. You saw the whole budget speech. How did it sound? How do you feel?
And I think we need to give credit where credit is due. It is a fantastic budget. I think the government has truly stated, it's a statement of fact that we are going to move towards 10, 20, 30 trillion. And a few highlights, the increase in spending on infrastructure, which is something that we're all hoping for. The focus on the Prime Minister 𝘊𝘦𝘤𝘚𝑗𝑗 𝑔𝐬𝑚, which is going to be really beneficial for our sector, and the focus on the tourism industry. I think from the point of view of real estate and housing and related sectors, it is an excellent budget. And I don't think, we could have expected, most of us are expecting populist measures, but I don't think that has come through. I think this is a brilliant and a very, very balanced budget.
Ask Mr. Bhajanka about the cement corridor. He also makes cement.
Ask him directly.
Mr. Bhajanka, what about the cement corridor? How do you think it will benefit the cement industry, especially since you're in the northeast? And will it give you greater reach, footprint in the mainland?
Good point to him, yeah.
100%. I think, the steps that are being taken, they are to promote business all across. The northeast has been a slightly, I would say, neglected sector. But now the initiatives, like Annabeth said, it is not about from this part of the country to that part. It is not about vote bank. This is a budget for the entire economy, and business in general is going to benefit financially.
Today, movement of cement, etc., gets stuck with coal movement, sometimes agriculture movement. But having a separate corridor, it's also, Narendra Modi's integrated vision of infrastructure. He doesn't look at it in isolation. He needs to create Gati Shakti. He needs to create channels for cement and the ports, etc. I think that is what's distinguishing.
Okay. Nirmala Sitharaman speaking in the Rajya Sabha right now. I'd like to cut it briefly, please.